Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Ellis, and we're going to do something real fun today. We're going to make a little bat for Halloween. Thought it might be a cute little thing here. And when you hang it on the string and hang it, you can bounce it up and down and let the wings flap. So I'm going to tell you everything you need for my students. I already put everything together in little packages for you, so you should have everything you need. Let's begin. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way, and here's what you need. You need one of these, and I'm sure everybody has one. A toilet paper, toilet tissue tube. Paper towels are much too long. This is the right size. And then I cut a rectangle of black paper for you. I cut the head and the front you'll have. I gave you the wings, so you'll have those. I also gave you two little blank dots that have they're sticky dots that you have to peel off the back with. You might have an extra one or two in your package I might have thrown in there. You need a piece of string. I had this black string, so I thought that would look really cool. And you need a small piece of scrap black paper to cut out the bat's ears. It doesn't have to be big. Here's a little leftover piece. You need a black marker. It could be Sharpie or a regular Crayola marker, and some glue. Ta-da! That's what you need. So let's get started. Move all this away, out of the way. We take this. All right, now this should be pretty much the right size, maybe a teeny bit bigger. You'll notice that when I roll it around, it fits very well. The ends overlap each other like that. So we need to put some glue on here. I bought this clear glue. It's really cool, but the white glue, regular Elmer's or dollar store white glue, that all works pretty well. So put some, especially near the edges. Put some all around, and some little squiggles in the middle too, so it'll stay stuck to the tube. There. Boop. Close my glue so it doesn't get clogged up. Now we hold it this way. You'll be able to see which way it goes, and start rolling it up. When you get to the end, make sure the ends overlap and hold it a little bit. This is going to take a little while because you have to hold it. Rubbing helps a little bit too. It just kind of helps it stick together a little bit. I keep my hand in here and I just help rub it a little bit. There. Now, if you have extra sticking out, I would suggest taking your scissors. I should have told you scissors too. And just trimming it off right up to the tube. Just snip off the extra till it's in line with the tube. Around here and here. Notice I'm still hanging on to it here for dear life. I'm not letting it go yet. There we go. Around and around till it's all even with the tube. You may have to do that on this side too. So just go around and just snippy, 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 snippy. Mine's starting to hold pretty well, getting stuck right onto the tube, which is exactly what I want. There. Get rid of those. Get rid of my mess. Okay, now, the second thing you do, oh, I think I want a little more snipped off there. It looks like it's just a little bit too big there. Take your string and put it through the tube. Ugh, sticking to me all over. Put it through. There we go. And get it by the end. like that. Oh. Now, put the ends of the string together and tie a knot, an overhand knot. If you can't do it, you may need to have somebody who can help you, or maybe the teacher or a parent can help. But you want those two ends tied together. See? Like that. All right. Next step, we're going to put some glue for the head around this part of the tube. So, back to my glue. Open it up. Let it come down to the nozzle. The nozzle. This is called a nozzle. And just get some glue all over there. Don't worry if a little bit drops inside. It's okay. And take one of those circles and put it right on. Gently press it in. Now where the string comes out now, that's going to be the top of the head. I want you to remember that. Press. I gently press it down to get it to stick. I turn it upside down. There we go. And some more glue because we're going to put the back on. Don't be too stingy. Put enough glue so that it holds. Want to make sure it stays on, boys and girls. And ladies and gentlemen, there. Get the other circle that you have, glue it on, and press. Actually, this could be the head, and that could be the back. This could be the head, that could be the tush. But here we go. All right, you have to make sure that your string comes out the same place. Every once in a while, you have to remember to push it back until the glue dries. Pick one of the sides so it can be the head. This will be in the middle of the head. See that? How it's going to be in the middle? Good. Now go and get those two little white circles and peel off the back. This is probably the hardest thing of the whole project. Getting that little back off there. There. I got one. And stick the eye down. And the other one. Sometimes you have to fiddle it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. Have to have patience. I got it. There. And put the other eye down. Tap it down. See, I'm still gently making sure the head stays on, because it can still fall off until the glue dries. Now take your black marker. Remember, it could be a Sharpie or a regular Crayola marker, and put the black spot inside of the eye. You can put it wherever you like. Here. And here. One's very much bigger than the other. There. I think I'll... There. Now, take that piece of little scrap paper that I told you and cut out two small triangles for the bat's ears. Okay, cut out here. They don't have to be big. One. And something sticking on my pair of scissors. Get off, you. And here's the other one. Two triangles for the ears. All right, now let's see. We're going to put them at the top of the bat's head. Remember, the string should be between the two eyes. That's the top of the head in the middle. So I'll put a little bit of glue here, not too much, and a little bit of glue here, because that's where I'm going to put the ears. I'll put one triangle here and one triangle here. Yep. There we go. Now, if you want to and you have other scrap paper, you could make fangs out of white paper, make them look really mean, like a vampire bat. But you don't have to. You don't have to. Okay, so now our bat is almost ready for its wings. Put it down. I'm still checking to make sure that my bottom, my end of this end and this end are still sticking because my glue is still very, very wet. Now you've got your wings. Your wings are going to go right down the middle, like that. Okay? Right down the middle. So, I'm going to draw a line of glue right where the wings, see this little, you can do it either way. You can do it this way if you like. I like it this way with the little point in the back. But if you don't want it that way, you want it the other way, that's fine. Put a little bit of glue here, and I kind of smooch it around a little so to make sure it's sticky. And I'm going to put it down right in the middle between the eyes and the ears. And gently press it down, and guess what? We're done. Wasn't that easy? Here we go. See? Hello. Hello, bat. Just be careful because it still takes time for that glue to dry. But if you hang it from the ceiling, that's really cool. Okay, boys and girls. Whoop, see? I didn't wait long enough and the head fell off. Put it back on. There we go. My bat is going batty. He's losing his head. Okay, boys and girls. So when you're done, take a picture. Tell me who you are so I can see the incredible bat that you made. And send it to ellisrtsmarties@gmail.com. ellisrtsmarties@gmail.com. I really want to see your bats. By the way, you can make brown bats too. They don't all have to be, see? He's flying. They don't all have to be black. They can be brown too. They're just as nice. Or you can make a yellow or orange or red one, whatever you like. Bye, boys and girls, and ladies and gentlemen.